Welcome to the fascinating world of traffic signals. Today we are at D'Iberville Boulevard. It is a divergent diamond, and as you can see, this signal head that's on a pedestal is leaning pretty hard over, and they're paying us to drop it, fix it, get it straight again, and get it operating as it should. So we're gonna remove the head off of the pedestal, change out the bracket. Hopefully that does the trick, and then reinstall it, rewire it up, and make sure all the LEDs are good in it. All right, he's about to back up the bucket truck and get lined up with it as well, while my truck's here, and that I can reach everything as well. And then we just need to verify that all the indications are working. I believe the red's out. That's why we have a red sitting there, just in case. Getting pretty close. Close as you can, get it without nailing my truck. May not really have to use the bucket at all. And yeah, that, well, green just came on, but I'm pretty positive the red was out. So we're gonna get that fixed as well today. Let's get to tearing this thing down. Let's open this guy up. Oh yeah, no, it won't go either direction. Them threads are screwed on it. Yeah, that's my game plan. Tear it all apart and redo it almost. Them cables taped up good, and you want me to pull them out the head?
Yeah.
Alright, gonna pull the cables down and out of our way while we work on them. And then real easy to pull them right back up. Only ones hot at any given time are these four. But while this one's disconnected, these ones are running the heads, running the intersection, so it won't go into flash. May want to hit it with that PB blast or WD-40. I'm just hoping we can get that freaking castle nut off too.
I just tried to move it, it was not moving.
Yeah. We may have to take a grinder to it. Damn, these are probably gonna snap off. Oh yeah, it's about to turn. Cool. I'm gonna get up higher. Probably gonna be able to go your way more with it and get it on the bucket truck. I hope I don't fall. Man, there we go. Alright. Cool. God damn, I should have grabbed another one of them plates. Oh yeah, that top ain't coming undone, I'll tell you that. Alright, first things first, we can remove this red LED. Red out. Does that have that rubber grommet on it? Yeah. It's down there. Pedestal at Pass Road got installed wrong, so we'll fix that, plus the two box collars. Maybe that'll just kill out the day. The base of it's backwards. They broke a bolt on it. We may just tear it all the way back out. Probably gonna tear it all the way back out, cut their bolts they installed, move it a little bit to where we can drill in some bigger anchor bolts, and then reinstall it. But it's all, I mean, pretty much every way you could fuck it up, it's fucked up. And then I could be wrong, but I feel like it's just the cabinet, or the box by the cabinet, and the one across the street by that smaller foundation. Same size foundation, but smaller mast arm, that 25-foot one. I think those are the only two pool boxes that don't have concrete around them already. You might be right on that, but I don't even know if we can do it 100% yet. I guess we could. We'll line it up with grade. I know they got to come back with sod and re-sod it and seed it and everything. So you're probably right. That one I think needs it too. Castle nut one. Or taking a sawzall blade or something like that, small one, and just trying to cut across so it cuts this castle top part off, and we could redo it. But them things were pretty gunked up last time I was out here trying to turn it. There she is. I got a little vacuum in my truck. Now we can clean up all the metal. And no damage to the head, surprisingly. I mean, there's damage from how it's been sitting, but from us cutting, we all Gucci. Cool. Now, removing this guy. That's why it ain't fucking working, or why we couldn't get it fixed either. Damn, dude, the threads weren't even going in this thing very well. Leave it. All right, so this nipple is messed up, damaged as well. So I'm gonna go on the hunt and try to find one at Lowe's real quick, and then get back to repairing this. Plastic's gonna be good enough. All right, guys, luckily the Lowe's is less than 2 minutes away from the job site. Got a new closed nipple, matches perfectly, 1.5 inches. Should work out just fine, even though it did fail the first time, but we're just gonna put it back how it was with new items, and hopefully it holds up. So let's get back to the job site. Whew, getting a little windy out here. Hopefully it don't rain. Gotcha. You tying that one up too? Cool. I'm about to say that one was bad too. Yeah. All right, it's the best route. If it'll pull away enough. This guy fits on here and it gets a good grip. What was that? Oh, that was the old one. Ah! Don't get on the road though. Alright. Yeah, this is whatever call that back plate was very much in the way.
Put this in there?
It's either going in real easy or not going in at all. Fuck me, yeah. Good thing we got all the time in the world today. Yeah, it was going in there good too. Okay, I need to pull back some. Yeah, I think we're tight. Cool. Now we just need to loosen up these set screws, tighten down these set screws, put that guy back in, and reinstall it, rewire it up, and we're pretty much done with this thing. Now we can rehang the thing. I'm gonna close up this LED. Good part of it is you can have it turned, wire it up, and then turn it again. There we go. Turn it this way. Now we can drop down a string. Did it fall all the way down onto it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Oh, dude, that thing's... Oh, it's gonna be so much straighter. So you can set it down. Got it. You got some tape on you? If not, I can grab some. Ugh, hate the way they stripped it down and just left it like this. Take pride in your work. Oh, you can.
Damn radar had water in it.
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh well, which one did you take down?
One to the right.
There was one over there.
One to the right of the camera. See the wire sticking out?
I guess it's probably an old one too, but the one facing this way, I think is an older. What is it?
One by the camera needs to go.
Yeah, the other one. Hell, I think maybe even the camera needs to go. I'm not 100% sure. That's what I was trying to pull up the plans to, but it's a big ass file. You got enough? There you go. There we go. He rewires that up. It'll turn real easy. We set all them set screws and it'll be done. It'll look good. A lot better than it did when we got here. All right, he has it wired up now. Now I'm gonna go step back further. What is it? Oh, I gotcha. But we're gonna get lined up with traffic, and these ones, so at the stop bar, you see the two heads pretty easy. We ain't trying to really aim it at the stop bar. We're trying to aim it at the further area of traffic. So I want this guy in the truck when he's coming over the bridge to see it, more or less. How that arrow's crooked right there is because it's diverting this traffic over. And when they get out of my way, I'll stand in the lane that it's meant for and just make sure it lines up pretty straight with them. And check the green too. This way a hair. Green looks real good now. I think right there is good enough. They'll see it way down there, and then when they come up to the stop bar, they'll see the other heads. So, looks good. Looks a hell of a lot better than it did. And yeah, I'm sure they're gonna be happy with that. So, just a new little bracket on the bottom. All worked out well. Thanks for the help, guys.